We'll guide you through how to create a ChatGPT resume using the most current and effective methods available. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the ChatGPT website on your computer and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll want to start a new chat. Type in a prompt like, "Help me create a resume for a software engineering position," or whatever job title you're targeting. Be sure to include your relevant experience, skills, and any specific achievements or education you want highlighted. ChatGPT will generate a draft for you. Review the draft carefully, and you can ask ChatGPT to make adjustments or add specific sections by typing in instructions like, "Add a section about my volunteer experience," or "Include more details about my project management skills." Remember to keep your resume concise and focused on the most relevant information. Once you're happy with the content, you can copy the text and paste it into a word processor like Microsoft Word or Google Docs to format it to your liking. Make sure to save your document and export it as a PDF for a professional look. This way, you'll have a polished resume ready to send out to potential employers. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.